Hey, it's time for a coding challenge. Feel free to take this opportunity to apply what you've been learning so far and write some React code without following the video tutorial. But if you're in a time crunch, I totally understand. Don't feel obligated to do the challenge. It's completely optional. Do stick around for the video overall though, as we'll be doing a bit of a short setup for the next part of the code, so that way you're prepared to do the challenge. The next component is going to be one called social profiles. A lot like the projects component, it will be a group of JSX components itself. And those components will be based on data that we provide in the data directory. So currently within the data directory, we have this projects.js file. But let's do the same thing for a new social profiles.js section, which is going to have its own global social profiles array, which is much like the projects array. So within here, we're going to make a lowercase social profiles, but make sure the P is capitalized so that way it's following the camel casing convention for JavaScript files within a React project. Each of these social profiles is going to have a link and an icon. Now, those icons need to be loaded from the assets directory, which means you're going to need to get those assets either from the resources section of this lecture, or you can go to github.com/15dcats/React Bootcamp. Then go to portfolio and source and assets, and you're going to find all of those images that you need in there. The ones that you want are anything with the underscore icon extension. So email icon, GitHub icon, LinkedIn icon, and then Twitter icon. And those are the ones that you need for this challenge and video. Once you have them overall, place them into your assets directory and pause the video until you have them all. All right, to begin, we'll import each asset from its location one directory back in the assets folder. So I'm going to import first the email icon, and I'm going to use the camel case syntax to name the actual variable. And this is going to be from the assets directory located one directory back at email_icon.png. We're going to do the same for the other three icons. So first, there's the GitHub icon, and this is from GitHub_icon.png. Next, there's the LinkedIn icon, and this is from LinkedIn icon.png. And then finally, there's the Twitter icon from Twitter_png. Nice. Once you have the data available, go ahead and make an overall social profiles array. Since this is a global value, you want to make it screen case. And when you screen case values that comprise of more than one word, you join the word with an underscore. Each of the social profiles is going to be an object that consists of an ID. The first one is going to be for the email, so its link is going to be to mail to : and then whatever email that you want to specify. And the image is going to be that email icon. All right, I'm going to make social profile objects for the rest of the icons, but I'm going to use some movie magic to skip ahead to when the social profiles array is complete. So pause the video once you see the data so that you have a chance to write it all down yourself as well. All right, there's all the social profiles in full. It probably goes without saying, but you're going to want to change the links to ones that are relevant for yourself in your own portfolio. Okay, as a last step, let's make sure that this array is shared with all other files in the codebase. So the very last line is export default social profiles. And then this is the start of the challenge. You're going to want to render each of these social profiles in a new section of the app right after the projects. In the course, I'll be rendering the image and then making that image itself clickable with this link, so that way when you click on it, it goes to this URL. The approach that you take can be nearly identical to what we have for the project component, so feel free to use that for inspiration. In the next video, I'll be coding the solution to the challenge, so head there if you get stuck or you want to move on with the project at a faster pace. All right then, let the challenge begin. If you enjoy this content, head to davidtcats.com. There, you'll find links to full courses, as well as to reach out and connect with me. For React and Redux in particular, you'll want to check out udemy.com/React Redux Bootcamp. This is a course I made to help you learn React and Redux the right way, and to turn you into React and Redux developer. Okay, see you in the next one.